Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hi, everyone. My name is Alex Merrifield, and I'm a consultant here at Solved. Our mission is to help businesses automate and thrive using the power of Salesforce.com and generative AI. Today, we're going to tackle an important question that a lot of our clients are asking as they explore this new tech. And it's going to be, can Salesforce Agentforce actually assist with multi-channel customer interactions? So what's the core problem we're trying to solve here? It's the fragmented customer experience. Think about your own interactions with companies. You might start a conversation on a website's chatbot, get interrupted, and then send an email later that day. Maybe you follow up with a message on social media or via text. The customer sees this as one continuous conversation, but for many businesses, each one of those touch points, chat, email, social, is a separate siloed channel. So this leads to immense frustration at times, and the customer has to repeat themselves over and over. I know I've been there. So your support agents lack context as the major pain point here, so they can't provide personalized or efficient service. And ultimately, this fractured experience erodes trust and can lead to customer churn. The core issue is a lack of a single intelligent brain that understands the entire journey, regardless of where or how it happens. So you might be thinking we already have chatbots or some automation, and that's a good start. But those solutions often fall short in a multi-channel world. So why? First, many AI tools are point solutions. You might have a great chatbot for your website, but it's completely unaware of the email a customer sent 5 minutes ago. You end up with an army of disconnected bots, which is just as bad as an army of disconnected human agents. The second, traditional solutions are often locked into a single LLM or platform. This limits your flexibility. The AI landscape is changing every week, and being tied to one model can occasionally be a huge risk. Finally, managing dozens of different AI widgets and platforms create a massive headache. It dramatically increases your costs, creates security vulnerabilities, and makes it impossible to get a single unified view of your customer interactions. You're trying to build a single source of truth in Salesforce, but your AI strategy, it can be pulling that data apart. So this is where Agentforce, built on the Einstein 1 platform, fundamentally changes the game. The answer to the question is yes, absolutely. Agentforce is designed for multi-channel interactions, but how it does it is the key. So Agentforce is not just another chatbot. Think of it as an intelligent orchestrator that sits at the heart of your Salesforce data. First, it has access to a unified customer profile. Because it natively is built on Salesforce, an AI agent can tap into Data Cloud and your core CRM objects. It can know the customer's purchase history, their open cases, and the transcript from their web chat yesterday. The context is already there instantly. Second, it provides a consistent experience. So whether the customer interacts via SMS, a web form, or email, they are interacting with the same AI brain. This agent can start a process on one channel and seamlessly continue it on another. For example, it could confirm an appointment via web chat and then automatically send a follow-up summary and calendar invite via email. So third, the most powerful is Agentforce can use tools. This is the concept of digital labor that we talk about a lot. An AI agent can do more than just talk. It can trigger a Salesforce flow to update a record. It can call a MuleSoft API to check an external inventory system, or assign a task to a human agent for complex follow-ups. It can act as a true team member, orchestrating actions across your entire tech stack, all from one central place. So Agentforce solves the multi-channel problem, not by being present on every channel, but by being the central data-aware brain that directs the conversation and actions across all of them. All right, as we're closing out here, I say this in all my videos, I highly recommend diving into Salesforce Foundations. In your own org, it can be the best way to get hands-on and see the potential of Agentforce for yourself and be essentially a personal sandbox where you can innovate. So the exciting part is that it is still zero cost. So you can access the powerful tools that they have available across different areas and start building proof of concepts without any upfront investment outside of your time. So Salesforce even provides some free credits specifically for testing, allowing you to experiment with some of these use cases and understand how Agentforce can transform your business. So it's a great opportunity to explore within your own environment. And if you want to see how it might handle some of these scenarios, you can go in and start connecting everything together and test these ideas more. And One of the best parts that we've seen is that you don't need to be a technical expert. The interface is designed to be user-friendly. We have a lot of other videos and resources available to help you get started. Plus, we at Solved are always here to assist you if you have any questions or need guidance. So take advantage of this zero-cost opportunity. You can install Salesforce Foundations and start experimenting and see firsthand how Agentforce can revolutionize your org. All right, thanks for watching. I hope this video gave more insight into how this multi-channel approach can be accomplished with Agentforce and support your users. If you're ready to unlock the power of Agentforce, here are some steps to start by exploring that Salesforce Agentforce demos, the ones that we have on our page or elsewhere. Even better, take advantage of that Salesforce Foundations I mentioned, which is currently free. And as a last note, at Solve, we're passionate about helping businesses leverage Salesforce and generative AI to drive growth. We've been early adopters of Agentforce, and we're ready to share our expertise with you. So contact us for a free consultation, but we can identify that highest ROI starting points for your business. Thanks.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.